Mayor of Tuba, Benguet tested positive for COVID-19. Mayor Clarita Sal-ongan took the test a week after undergoing isolation. On the day the mayor announced her test result, she was one of Tuba's 10 new cases. While Sal-ongan is in quarantine, her office has been closed for disinfection. There have been reports that Sal-ongan got infected with the virus days after she was given the COVID vaccine. The municipality of Tuba denied it.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.